Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Unacademy Cat. My name is Juhi Priya, and today we are going to solve an actual question of reading comprehension from 2017 CAT paper. This passage may look short, but it is very technical and tricky, and I have chosen this deliberately so that your focus remains constant and you see how effectively you can solve such tricky passages. Okay, so we will start. Although many lines of evidence indicate that birds evolved from ground-dwelling theropod dinosaurs. Oh, dinosaurs. Favorite, okay? They may have got extinct, but it is favorite of the kids of 3 to 5 year old, and even I like dinosaurs. How about you? Please comment down. So some scientists remain unconvinced. So what is it saying? You may not consider this as the main idea, or if the author is being introduced over here. It is just a line that says that many lines of evidence indicate that birds evolved from ground dwelling theropod dinosaurs. Some scientists remain unconvinced. So you have to actually write over here. I actually taught you about having a rough paper where you can map these keywords so that you know where to go after you read the question and where to find the solution exactly in which line. Okay, so unconvinced, this is a very important word. They argue that theropod appeared too late to have given rise to birds. Okay, so the author is saying that they say that theropods appeared too late to have given rise to birds. Nothing that Archaeopteryx lithographica, the oldest known bird, this is important, okay, the oldest known bird appears in the fossil record about 150 million years ago. 150 million years ago is important because it is indicating towards a year that these the dinosaurs exist. Okay, now, Archaeopteryx lithographica is the oldest known bird, appeared in the fossil record from 150 million years ago. Okay, whereas the fossil remains of various non-avian maniraptor theropod, the closest known relative of birds. Okay, this is important. Please note it down. Non-avian maniraptor theropods, the closest known relative of birds, date only to about 115 million years ago. Okay, these two year, the date that have been given has to be remembered because it may come in the questions and we will see that questions ahead. But investigators have now uncovered bones that evidently belong to non-avian maniraptors dating to the time of Archaeopteryx. In any case, failure of find fossil of a predicted kind does not rule out their existence in an undiscovered deposit. What is it saying? It is saying that in any case, failure to find fossils that are remains of anything are called fossils of a predicted kind does not rule out their existence. ये नहीं कह रहा है कि अगर उनका fossil नहीं मिला है that rules out their existence. Okay, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो exist ही नहीं करते थे. In an undiscovered deposit. Skeptics also argue. What are skeptics? The person who has the tendency to doubt or question anything. Also argued that the fused was reasonable when only early theropod clavicles had been discovered. What are clavicles? These are the bones. The wishbone. I think it's somewhere written over here. Yeah, the wishbone. What is it? The bone that connects your breastbone and your neck bone or your shoulder bone. Okay, those are clavicles. It is saying that this objection was reasonable when only early theropod clavicles had been discovered. Okay, but fossilized theropods clavicles that look just like the wishbone of Archaeopteryx have now been unearthed. Unearthed, what is it meaning? Unearthed means that something that has been grounded and it has been taken out. Okay, that's the basic explanation of unearthed. Finally, some scientists argue, okay, argue is important over here, because the scientists are arguing that the complex lungs of birds could not have evolved from pteropod lungs. What is the scientist arguing about? They are arguing about that the complex lungs of birds could not have evolved from pteropods lungs, an assertion that cannot be supported or falsified at the moment, because no fossil lungs are preserved in the paleontological record. Okay, so basically the entire passage is about dinosaurs evidence, and the evidence that says that there were Archaeopteryx lithographical, the oldest known birds that are being compared to, you know, the dinosaurs that existed 150 millions ago, and the birds that existed 115 millions a year ago. Okay, so these are being compared, and we don't find a main idea over here as such, because we don't see that the author is being introduced in the first line, in middle of the passage, or in the last line. Okay, so that's why I was saying this is a little technical passage, but we will move forward with this, because you have to raise your bar of technicality. Okay, the more you level it up, the more it will be easy for you to solve any reading comprehension, and that is why I brought this long session for you, so that you know that how reading comprehensions can be solved with these tricky sides of author, or what the author is trying to say. Okay, now I hope you have, you know, gone through this passage. I'm leaving the screen for you so that you have, you know, you can pause this for a moment and also read through this, and maybe you can understand what the passage is trying to tell you. I will be there with you so that you try to understand the primary purpose of the passage, and that's the very basic and first question that, you know, any exam setter uses for defining any passage. Okay, so we will go through these options and see that if we can find an answer in the passage. Okay, please be motivated. I know this looks a little difficult, but it will be solved very easily. Okay, so the primary purpose of the passage is to compare the development of two hypotheses concerning the evolutionary origin of birds. We did learn about birds. They were saying that, you know, maybe birds are the creatures that have come from the dinosaurs, but did we come across two hypotheses that were being discussed in the passage? No, there were no two hypotheses. There were discussions. There were scientists who were, you know, not convinced with the idea of that birds evolved from ground dwelling theropod dinosaurs. There were discussions around that, you know, actually there were discussions about where the supported or falsified at the moment. So all this is actually being discussed. They are arguing, they are not convinced. All of this is being discussed, but the question that states where two hypotheses are being discussed, no, there's no such evidence where two hypotheses are being discussed, so we cancel this option for the time being. Okay, now suggest revision to the standard theory of the evolutionary history of birds. Revisions to the standard theory of the evolution's history of the bird. This could be one of the answers, so we can keep this as a string over here. I'm so sorry, I just marked it right. So, suggestions, revision to the standard theory of the revolutionary history of the birds. Yes, we were reading about the history of the birds, and this could be a standard revision. The purpose of the passage could be the standard revision, but we were discussing where did the birds came from. Okay, so maybe this could be a standard theory of the passage. Okay, moving on to the other options. Evaluate the usefulness of fossil evidence in determining the evolutionary history of birds. What is it saying? evaluate the usefulness of fossils evidence. We are not discussing about the usefulness or how it is affecting the mother earth or how it is affecting the animal kingdom. We are not discussing about it. The fossil evidence is anyway not giving any useful content or produce anything that is determining the evolutionary of history of birds. So this is absolutely wrong. Okay, challenge the theory that birds evolved from ground dwelling theropod dinosaurs. Challenge the theory. Did we come across any challenging position? Okay, there were scientists who were they were not convinced about the theory that birds came from theropod dinosaurs. They were not convinced about this theory, but they were not challenging. They were not challenging at all this theory. Now, respond to criticism of the theory that birds evolved from ground-dwelling theropod dinosaurs. See, this is very clear from option E that the entire passage is talking about that scientists or any of these people who were researchers are not convinced. So they are criticizing the theory. Criticizing as in they are actually not believing that theory that bird evolves from dinosaur. Okay. So B is not the right answer. We are cancelling this. I think, and it is E. E is the right answer because respond to criticism of the theory that birds evolved from ground dwelling. So they are actually criticizing the statement that, maybe the scientist or maybe the person who was writing this passage or who came across this theory was suggesting that birds came from dinosaurs. The fossils were found and all of this, the entire theory that was applied, that was, actually criticized by the scientist. Okay, so option E is the right answer, and we also got the primary purpose of the passage. I hope you're understanding with how technical passage, where you are stuck, where you could not understand the passage. If you go to the question and if you read the options, you will actually find this almost same statement written in the option, so that you have an idea what the passage is talking about. And when I was talking about mapping the passage, that's when you understand that if you mark some keywords, I'll show you how. So I have marked some keywords over here so that I know that if these keywords are written in my question and options, please take this as a tip. Okay, if these keywords are written in the option or in the questions, I know where to return to the passage. I don't have to go entirely through the passage again and again. Okay, now question number 2 is, in the context of the passage, the phrase fossil of the predicted kind most likely refers to which of the following? Fossils of the predicted kind. Please go through the question. Now, theropod fossils with fused clavicles. Fossils of the predicted kind. Fossils of predicted kind cannot be in the theropod fossils with fused clavicles, because we were not getting into any idea where it was suggesting that theropod fossils, theropods are dinosaurs with fused clavicles. Okay, we came across fused clavicles where it was written that the clavicles had been discovered, but fossilized theropods clavicles that look just like the wishbone of Archaeopteryx have now been unearthed. Okay, and what it is written here, that theropod fossils with fused clavicles has now been unearthed. Okay, so this shall not be the right answer, because the question suggests that what phrase fossil of the predicted kind most likely refers to which of the followings. Okay, so this is absolutely the wrong answer. Theropod fossils that are similar in structure to Archaeopteryx fossils. Theropod fossils that are similar in structure to Archaeopteryx fossils. Okay, I think this is also not the right answer, because it was not similar in structure. The fossils of the predicted kind. The fossils of the predicted kind should mean that the fossils of the Archaeopteryx dinosaurs that were found were not actually matching or in the similar structure of the birds that were discovered lately. So this shall also not be the right answer. Okay. Now, theropod fossils dating back more than 150 millions ago. I think we came across this. We'll just go back to the passage and see where we have mapped this. Here, 150 million years ago. The oldest known bird appears in the fossil record about 150 million years ago, whereas the fossil remains of various non-avian many raptor theropods. Okay. So what is it written here? I'm so sorry. Yes. So theropod fossils dating back more than 150 million years has to be fossil of a predicted kind. Okay. So I think these two matches very correctly, where it was written that it was found 150 million years ago, fossil of the predicted kind. The prediction that is happening over here is more and above 150 million years ago, and that's why this shall be the right answer. But we will also see people also mark D, where it is written that fossils indicating the structure of theropod lungs. So we were talking about lungs. Did we talk about lungs in our passage? What is this happening today? So did we anywhere discover about the lungs? Yes, we did discover about the lungs, where it was written that the scientists argued that the complex lungs of birds could not have evolved from theropod lungs. Okay, so they are still arguing that the lungs that were discovered has not been discovered from the theropod lungs, an assertion that cannot be supported right now. Okay. Now, fossils indicating the structure of theropod lungs. This also should be the wrong answer, because we have actually found the right answer. Maybe this would have been the right answer if option 3 was not given in the second question. Okay. Now we'll also go through the last options so that none of these options are left behind. Fossils indicating the structure of archaeoreptic lungs. Fossils indicating the structure of archaeoreptic lungs. This can also be the right answer, but since the phrase fossils of the predicted kind is most likely referring to fossils dating back, okay, it is referring to the prediction that has happened in past is referring to 150 million years ago. This option is correct, and this one's is right. It would have been correct. Option D and E would have been correct if the very right answer that is given over here, the option C, would not, wouldn't have been here. Okay. Now, moving on to our third question. I hope I'm not going too fast today, because I have to make you understand how these passages work. Okay. So you can't read over here very fastly. You can't jump through over the passage. You have to read it in a speed limit, but you have to also decrease the level of, the kind of question this is. You must have thought in the beginning that this is a short passage, maybe I could read through it very quickly and jump back to the questions, but it is not like that. The technical question, the technical options and the technical questions and the technical theme that has been used here actually makes you stuck at one place, but you have to see how in between the options you have to find the right answers. Okay, and that will only happen if you get through mapping. So mapping is very important. As you see, I don't have to read through the entire passage when I'm going back to the passage. You're seeing that. So with that clarity, you have to attempt all the questions. Okay, now moving on to the third question. Which of the following is mentioned in as an argument made by scientists who are unconvinced that birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs? I think this is pretty evident, and this has also been mentioned in the passage, but we'll go through the options as well. There are no known theropod dinosaurs fossil dating from a period at the time of Archaeoreptic. What is it written? In the argument made by scientists who are unconvinced that the birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs. Which of the following sentence mentions this? There are no known theropod dinosaurs fossil dating from a period at the time of Archaeopteryx. This is, I think, not the correct answer, because the scientists were actually arguing on the content that theropods are not known from the past. There's no evidence that birds evolved from dinosaurs, and they were arguing about that. So this is not the right answer. Okay, there are no known theropod dinosaur fossils that indicate the structure of those dinosaur lungs. This could be the right answer, so we will just mark this as a string for now. Okay, theropod dinosaurs appear in the fossil record about 150 million years ago. Theropod dinosaurs appear in the fossil record about 150 million years ago. Okay, this could be the right answer, but we have learned that going back to the passage, we have learned that 115 million years ago, the closest known relative of birds, which is non-avian maniraptor theropods, were found in the fossil remains. Okay, so this question where it is saying that the fossil record about 150 million years ago should not be the right answer, because we are not talking about the fossils that were remaining in those years. We were talking about the birds that were found then, were 115 million years ago back then, and so thus this statement and this option is not correct. Now moving on to other option. Theropod dinosaurs did not have fused clavicles. I think we came across this and we will see that in the passage. Now theropod, so over here some scientists argued that the complex lungs of birds could not have evolved from theropod lungs. Okay, an assertion that cannot be supported. So the scientists are arguing over here, and that's why this sentence where the theropod dinosaurs did not have fused clavicles, this is coming from the argument that the scientists were making in the last line. Okay, so we have just seen it, and thus I think, and it is option number D. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, removing this. Okay, now cancelling this, and I think option D is the right answer, because the argument just supports this statement where it was written in the last passage that the theropod dinosaurs did not have fused clavicles. Okay, we'll not read the last option, we'll also read it. Theropod dinosaurs had certain bones that looked just like those of Archaeopteryx. This is absolutely wrong. We did not come across any line that was stating that the bones actually looked like. There were actually discussions where the wishbone, the wishbone should or may have come from, the dinosaurs where they existed back then, but there were no evidence that was supporting that birds' wishbone and the dinosaurs' wishbone are the same. So this option is also incorrect, and this option B is also incorrect. The option which is right is option number D, which is theropod dinosaurs did not have fused clavicles. Okay, so I think this passage was a little clear to you, and if not, please write down in the comment box so that I can bring such passages and explain it to you. So if these passages come across in your CAT 2024 paper, you're not confused. Okay, so be motivated, be consistent. That's what I say every time. And please like, subscribe this channel. We are already on 700 subscribers and we want more love. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and I will come up with more content. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I'm on the channel, and have a very good evening. Thank you so much.